Okay, so on word problems, especially sixth, seventh, sometimes even eighth, if you're really strong at math intuitively, you can kind of do these in your head. But the problem is, teachers want to see the algebra, the setup. And so I'm going to show you how to just read the English words, and pretty soon a problem will be set up. So first thing is Heather, who's one person, and between two numbers means plus 9. So right away, I'm going to put 1 plus, and don't even change it to 10 yet. We're just writing down the setup. So 1 plus 9 is this first part. They went out to eat. They decide to split the bill evenly. Each, almost always, each means multiply. So now we're going to take this thing and we're going to multiply $15. And see this word was? So the words was, is, will be, all of those words mean the equal sign. And now we don't know what the total bill, so I'm going to put T for total. You could put X. And so 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 times 15, $150. But the purpose is not to solve these of this video, is to show you how to set it up. So let's do this. How old is Jacob if he will be? Will be means 65. So here we have Jacob will be means in the future, 13 years. So whatever Jacob's age is, plus 13 years. Well, let's put J as the variable. J plus 13 is equal to 65. And then you know how to get J by itself. You just subtract the 13 both sides. Okay. Michaela's going to sell all of her stamp collection. So I'm going to put C for stamp collection. In fact, you could even say, let C equal stamp collection. And maybe the number of stamps in collection, maybe that's what we should say. C is equal to the number of stamps in the collection. Okay, so she has some stamps. Selling half of them, selling means you're going to be getting rid of some, right? And it's half, so it's half of C. She changed her mind, then she bought. Well, when you buy things, that means you're adding to your collection, and that says 15. How many did she start with if she now has, another one of those is, was words? And look at what we have. We have an equation now. So if you have one whole thing and you subtract half of it, you're left with half. And then once you subtract the 15 from both sides, I think that's 19. Now be careful, you're multiplying by a fraction, and so to cancel multiplying fraction, just multiply by the reciprocal, but make sure to flip both sides. So she started off with 38 stamps. Let's see if that works out. So she started with 38. And she sold half. Then she added 15. So 38 subtract 19 is 19. 19 plus 15 is 34. Yep, all right. And then the cooking club. The cooking club made some pies to sell at a basketball game to raise money for the new math books. The cafeteria. So here we have it. The cooking club pies, and then the cafeteria contributed, that means gave, added 4 more pies. Okay? Each pie was then cut into 5 pieces. So see the word each? That means multiply. 5 pieces. And there were, another is, was word. Were means the equal sign. 60. Well, we don't know how many pies the cooking class made, so I will just say P for pies. The cafeteria gave 4 pies, and they're going to each be cut into 5 pieces. Instead of doing the distributive, 5, look at that, 5 is attached by multiplication. We could just divide both sides by 5. And then you have P plus 4 is equal to 12, I believe, and then subtract 4 on both sides. The cooking club made 8 pies. All right, that's it for this one. This is how you set up word problems converting the English language into math.